Number 1. The 1962 Chevrolet Greenbrier, priced at $8,500, located in Kennewick, Washington. A rare classic vehicle that remains in original condition and has never been restored. With only 73,000 original miles, this van is a true survivor. Previously owned by just one person and kept in a small desert-like town, explaining its solid, rust-free body. The paint and interior are entirely original from the factory, enhancing its collectible value. The engine hasn't run in about 5 years, but still turns freely. Fuel tank cleaning, carburetor service, and a battery replacement are needed to get it running again. The transmission is still manual, and the interior remains complete and presentable. This van also comes with camper amenities like a sink, stove, and fold-out bed, making it ideal for classic camper van enthusiasts. One notable flaw is the windshield, which needs to be replaced. The vehicle holds a clean Washington title. Number 2. The 1962 Ford Falcon Wagon, priced at $7,500, located in Jefferson, Georgia. It has approximately 89,000 miles on it. Overall, the condition is solid and rust-free, featuring a 170 inline-six engine and an automatic transmission that was recently serviced. The car runs, stops, and operates well, equipped with 4 new tires and new carpet inside the cabin. The front seat base is worn, but the rest of the interior is original and still presentable despite showing its age. The body paint is original but faded and shows signs of aging. All the glass is intact, although the rear power window is non-functional due to a faulty solenoid. The engine bay is clean and well organized, and the body is generally straight with no signs of structural damage. The white and brown color combination with classic country square with paneling makes it especially appealing to collectors. This unit is not open to trades and is only for serious buyers with cash in hand. The seller is also willing to help arrange nationwide shipping. Number 3. The 1968 Ford Torino GT Fastback, priced at $8,000, located in Huron, South Dakota, finished in red and still in fairly good condition for its age with 150,000 miles. The iconic fastback body is paired with aftermarket wheels that give a sporty appeal. There are some minor dents in areas with faded or dull paint, but overall, the car remains presentable. Under the hood sits a mildly rebuilt 302 V8, equipped with a crane cam, aluminum intake, Edelbrock carburetor headers, and forged flat-top pistons. The cooling system has been upgraded with an aluminum radiator, and the car also has a new exhaust and nearly new tires. Brakes and fuel tank were replaced in recent years. The interior is original but worn. The seats are torn and covered, while the carpet shows aging. Door panels and dashboard remain intact but reflect use. The car runs and drives well, comes with power steering, clean ownership title, and is not open to trades. Number 4. The 1967 Chevrolet C10, priced at $9,700, located in Norfolk, Virginia. Finished in bright yellow with light modifications. This truck is in good enough shape for daily use. It features a 350 Ci V8 engine with 4-bolt mains and a 4-barrel carburetor. Made it to a turbo 350 automatic transmission, along with headers and a mild cam for added performance. The truck also includes power steering, power brakes, and air conditioning, rare features for this model. The interior has been upgraded with diamond-stitched leather seats and would sport aftermarket steering wheel. Although the body is generally solid and straight, there is rust in common areas like the lower fenders and rocker panels. The original floor is bare with no major damage. This truck is very roadworthy with a strong running engine and transmission and is regularly driven in its current state. Ideal for classic truck lovers seeking an original short bed with solid power and a standout look. Number 5. The 1985 Buick Riviera, priced at $7,500, located in Pawtucket, Rhode Island, powered by a 305 V8 with only 48,000 original miles on the odometer, indicating very low use for its age. Mechanically, it's in excellent shape. The engine starts with one click and has undergone many key upgrades, including a brand new dual exhaust system with stainless tips new Optima battery, new master cylinder, all new brakes, a tune-up and adjustable air shocks. The car also features a new head unit and kicker speakers. The exterior is impressive with 20 inches 100 spoke wire wheels and Vogue tires. Still very fresh with less than 500 miles. The original wheels and wire hubcaps are included as well. The interior is well preserved with gray velour seats and original wood trim, though the vinyl roof and rear deck need repainting due to sunspots. The car is inspected through June 2025 and is still with its second owner, adding historical and collectible value. Number 6. The 1974 Plymouth Valiant, priced at $7,500, located in Honesdale, Pennsylvania, exceptionally well preserved with only 25,000 original miles, indicating very minimal use. Visually, the blue exterior is in excellent condition with no rust or rot, although there's a small dent on the driver's side rear door that, according to a professional, can be repaired without damaging the original paint. The car has been stored since 2001 in a climate-controlled building, preserving both its body and interior. The interior features perfect black vinyl upholstery with no tears or damage. Powered by a 318 V8, the car has front disc brakes and rear drums, lacks power brakes and retains manual steering, with no AC but includes a rear defogger. Before being stored, the previous owner replaced many brake and suspension components, as well as the fuel tank. The current owner also performed comprehensive maintenance, oil and filter change, new battery, transmission and brake fluids, and coolant flush. The car runs great and includes many spare parts, such as a power steering and brake kit from a previous owner. It comes with complete paperwork and is in outstanding condition for a classic car this age. Number 7. The 1977 Mercury Cougar, priced at $3,500, located in Amherst, New Hampshire, roadworthy and currently used daily, though considered a light project. The interior retains its original charm with red seats and with dash trim, though the driver's door panel is damaged and some seat sections are torn. Mechanically, it features a 302 V8 with 2-barrel carb headers and a custom exhaust, made it to a 3-speed automatic transmission, and a Ford 9 inches rear end. The engine is clean and decently maintained, though the engine bay shows signs of age. The car is equipped with a floor shifter and is still driven regularly, though there are a few minor issues like a non-working temperature gauge, a missing belt on the AC compressor, and some surface rust on the underbody, not deeply corroded. Number 8. The 1948 Chevrolet Fleetmaster, priced at $10,000, located in West Babylon, New York, still in very solid, original, and complete condition. The body is straight with no serious rust or rot, as the car originally came from Arizona and has been stored indoors for years. The aged paint with natural patina enhances its well-preserved classic feel, despite never being restored. The original 348 V8 matching numbers engine is intact in the engine bay and is reported to turn freely, not seized. The interior retains its originality with classic patterned seats and a green dashboard and steering wheel, typical of the 1950s era. The trunk compartment is clean, contains a spare tire, and shows no signs of leakage or structural damage. The car is sold with a clean title and is located in Wisconsin, making it ideal for a light restoration project or as a preserved survivor car. Number 9. The 1961 Chrysler Newport, priced at $8,500, located in Grand Junction, Colorado. This car has been custom modified both inside and out. The exterior features a custom pinstripe-style paint job with a glossy black base and unique orange accents, creating a striking classic lowrider vibe. The interior has also been modified with two-tone orange and white seats, although the steering wheel shows wear and signs of age. The car is powered by a 361 V8 engine, paired with a 3-speed TorqueFlite automatic transmission. The engine is in good condition and starts easily, but the transmission has issues. Third gear and reverse don't work until the car is warmed up and driven about a mile, after which it functions normally. The instrument panel is complete and original, regarded as one of the best designs of its era. The car has less than 62,000 original miles and comes with a clean Colorado title in the current owner's name and light project potential for vintage car enthusiasts. Number 10. The 1975 Opel Manta, priced at $6,995, located in Honoye Falls, New York, a rare European classic coupe, especially in this condition. The current owner has had the car since it was first purchased new in June 1975 and still holds the original sales receipt and the sales rep's business card from Dorschel Buick Opel. Over the years, the owner made various repairs and upgrades, including subframe reinforcement using U-shaped steel plates due to winter corrosion in New York, and replacement of the front fenders, hood, and driver door from a donor car in North Carolina. The car was then repainted in a silver shade very close to the original color. The finish is good though not concours. The interior is very well maintained, complete, and clean. The original engine is in good condition and the engine bay is tidy. The trunk houses a matching spare wheel with a classic rim. Overall, this Opel Manta is rarely seen in such shape, structurally and mechanically solid, and draws attention due to its rarity. Number 11. The 1963 Ford Fairlane, priced at $6,500, located in Willow Spring, North Carolina. This car still features its numbers-matching 260 V8 engine and cruise-o-matic transmission, maintaining its originality. Mechanically, the car has received several important updates, including new brake lines, both hard and soft, from front to rear, new wheel cylinders on all four corners, and a new fuel line and fuel filter. The interior has been partially refreshed with new carpet, and the headliner is in good shape, though the seats show wear and need reupholstering. The exterior is quite solid with only minor rust spots, expected for a 62-year-old car. Visually, the light blue paint gives a strong classic vibe, and both the dashboard and engine bay reflect a focus on functionality. The car is still regularly driven and provides a ride quality often described as like floating on a cloud. Number 12. The 1954 base model, priced at $8,500, located in Thornton, Colorado. Overall, it is in fairly good mechanical condition, but still requires cosmetic and interior attention. The inline I6 226 engine with overdrive remains strong and capable of running, driving, and stopping as it should. The car has received numerous important updates, including new brake cylinders, a new carburetor, wide white-wall tires from Coker radials, 4-inch front and rear lowering springs, and fully replaced steering components such as drag link and tie rods. Engine oil, gearbox fluid, and overdrive fluid have all been changed, and the braking system has been flushed and refreshed, including brake lines and fluid. The interior is complete but shows wear, with torn and dry upholstery, likely in need of reupholstering. This car sat in use for 43 years before being pulled from a garage last year and brought back into roadworthy condition. Overall, this is an appealing classic candidate, with much mechanical work already completed, now needing cosmetic restoration to bring back its charm. Number 13. The 1961 AMC Rambler 400, priced at $6,995, located in Fort Wayne, Indiana, a classic sedan with a distinct character of the early 1960s. Overall, the car is in fairly good condition for its age. It's powered by a 195 CI 6-cylinder engine, mated to a manual 3-on-the-tree transmission, 3-speed column shift, and according to the description, it runs, shifts, and stops well. The exterior body appears solid and straight with no visible rust, and all lights function properly. The red classic interior shows age-related wear, especially on the torn front seat and worn driver's side carpet, but the dashboard remains in good condition and all controls, like lights, wipers, and fan, are intact. The engine is original and clean, and the car includes a matching spare wheel and toolkit in the trunk. It comes with a clean title and includes an owner's manual and service manual, suitable as a daily classic driver or foundation for a full restoration. Number 14. The 1964 Oldsmobile Cutlass, priced at $6,500, located in Cleveland, Georgia. This car still retains many original elements. Powered by a 330 V8 engine with a 4-barrel carburetor and dual exhaust system, it comes with the original Jetaway automatic transmission, along with an included Turbo 350. It currently runs and drives well, though it shows signs of age. There are some rust spots on the outer body, particularly on the fenders and lower sections, though the overall body structure remains solid. The floor pans are in good condition, but the trunk has significant rust. However, a new trunk stand is included as a replacement. The interior features bucket seats in the center console with factory install, along with brand new seat covers, yet to be installed. The odometer shows 36,000 miles, though it's likely over 136,000. Overall, this is a strong candidate for a restoration project, with its original foundation intact and the classic appeal characteristic of 1960s Oldsmobiles. Number 15. The 1979 Chevrolet Nova, priced at $900, located in Englewood, Colorado, in what can only be described as a serious project for restoration. The faded blue paint and spray-painted pink are 7 markings suggest the car may have been used for amateur racing, or simply as a joke project. The body panels show various damage and rust, especially on a heavily corroded trunk lid and dull rear bumper. The right headlight is missing, and the front fender is damaged. The front and rear wheels don't match. Rear tires have a racing look, while the front ones are standard, giving the car an unbalanced appearance. The interior is intact but extremely worn. The original front and rear seats are dirty and tattered, door panels are coming loose, and the floor is rusty and carpetless. The dashboard and controls are mostly complete but very aged. The car likely does not run and must be towed. Ideal for classic project enthusiasts looking for a ground-up challenge, or simply as a sarcastic yard ornament, as humorously implied by the seller.